Months after being arrested for DUI, Chase McWhorter of Mormon Wives is accused of breaking the law exclusive. Us Weekly can exclusively confirm that months after being arrested for DUI and cocaine possession, Chase McWhorter, star of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, was stopped for driving with a suspended license. Chase, the ex-husband of Mom Talk user Miranda McWhorter, entered a guilty plea to a misdemeanor charge of driving with a suspended or revoked license on November 26, according to court records. Chase was cited for driving without a license on September 19th. This occurrence is the basis for charge. Chase was fined $335 and told to stay out of trouble by the court. The Bluffside Justice Center in Utah sent Chase a letter on December 2nd. Chase was notified that he was in violation of a recent court order that required him to pay fines for operating a vehicle without a valid license. Chase was given until December 17th to make the $335 payment, or the case would be sent to a court. The message cautioned, "It is in your best interest to respond to this letter today." Chase paid the fine the next day, according to the court docket, after being arrested in Utah on July 4th, 2024, for driving while intoxicated and possessing cocaine. Chase continues to face more serious legal troubles, as was previously reported. Driving with a suspended or revoked license was another charge brought against a reality star. On a $2,500 bond, the Hulu reality star was freed. He entered a not guilty plea to every accusation. Chase's court date for his DUI punishment is set for January 13th. According to police report, Chase was stopped after failing to maintain his speed and drifted outside of the travel lane several times. According to report, an officer said Chase had bloodshot, glassy eyes, slurred speech, and an alcohol-like odor. Chase acknowledged under questioning that he had consumed alcohol at a pub and used cocaine before operating a vehicle. It wasn't until the Sun broke the story on December 3rd that the arrest was made public. In a video that was shared on social media that same day, Chase expressed regret for the event. "I had consumed substances that I shouldn't have and got behind the wheel of the car, and I was pulled over for driving under the influence," Chase stated. Very dangerous, self-centered, and short-sighted choice. It could have turned out much worse. So thank you to the police officer for ensuring people keep safe while driving. Prior to his detention, the reality star claimed to have been at a pool party with friends. He claimed that once turmoil broke out during the party, he changed his mind about staying at the friend's house. Chase stated that because he lived only a few miles away, he chose to drive. "I should have taken Uber, but for some reason I chose to drive home, and that choice alone kills people every single day," he remarked. "I recognize how serious that is. Being pulled over and hauled in was obviously a humiliating low. I think it looks terrible." Chase disclosed that after being released from custody, he discussed the arrest with his ex-wife, Miranda. The ex-partners were wed from 2017 to 2024. Brooks, 6, and Cohen, 4, are their 2 children. Unfortunately, throughout the time Miranda has known me, both as a partner and now as a co-parent, I have disappointed her numerous times, Chase remarked. "Well, that's awful." He continued, "I sincerely regret the choice I made, and I apologize to everyone who was on the road that day, because that is obviously how people lose their lives."